Getting Dave's best side. It's Tuesday about 5 o'clock. Doug, we unloaded it, me, Doug, and Nick, Saturday night when we got home, put everything away. Doug and Nick washed it Sunday afternoon. We're getting it maintenanced and ready to go. Got to get it all done tonight. Nicholas will be here in a little bit to do tires, but a couple of us are taking off for vacation. And then me and Nick will take it to the track on Saturday for the Highland Mars race. The pits at Highland are not very big. Pit gates open at noon, so we need to be there by noon to get our spot or a decent spot, so we're not in the overflow pit. With the Mars group racing Friday night just up the road at Granite City, there'll be a lot of cars there early. We'll be breaking our brake pads now. Sanding the brake pads so we're down to the good and not glazed over. Not a lot to do this week, just basic maintenance stuff. I'm getting ready to change gears. Got some tire work to do. So stick around. Doug and George fixing, or making new.
Fixing, modifying, making it Daryn worthy.
Bodies by DSK.
Bodies by DSK, no more DK.
That's the right rear quarter skirt. Doug just put this on. Nicholas is over here doing his thing, getting us a new shoe ready for Saturday night.
One new shoe.
That's what I said, a new shoe.
Yeah, we ain't getting multiple new shoes.
Can't get a pair, just one.
She's getting one used sole.
Slightly worn. That right rear ain't bad. Well, yeah, it's got another night left in it.
That 40 looks good too.
40's got a lot of life left in it.
Rear is still, I'm gonna flip it when I run Saturday.
Give her a good edge for qualifying.
No, Highland it'll make it all night long. If we were Kiva, I'd say yeah. You can see all the colors coming out of it.
Yeah.
She'll be nice and soft when I grind her.
She'll be slinging everywhere. Getting her ready. Waiting on the High Limit Sprint Car Series to come on. Fixing to do some damage. Hey Nicholas, you want some Powerade? Door bar's bent a little bit. We're going to straighten it up.
Okay. Pump to shit. We got pump fast. Okay, well, grab me a hammer real quick. Big, little, a little steel.
Okay, release her. What it look like? Got a little more up there.
Just look pretty straight.
Does it?
Yeah.
Let me get one right here, if I can get it. Oh, I can't push on that, can I?
Yeah.
Well, let's let it sail. That's good enough.
Yep. I got it.
It's a lot straighter. Got a little ding in her right there, but she'll fly.
You two gonna get this done tonight?
Got it.
Need a bigger hammer.
I give him a bigger one and he cries.
I don't think I'm gonna get that kind of special.
For what?
This whole AMF we gotta give some time on the Klein Racing shop.
Hey. That's definitely a Windows 95 setup over there.
That's fucking Windows Vista.
Saturday's race.
Push truck down, lost a wheel.
Off the racetrack here. We promised Chris Wilner, and he's waited long enough for us to quit rambling.
We got our ace welder George on the job here. This is a handle to our pit vest. It broke last week, or 2 weeks ago. Daryn just wanted to use it without it, but it's kind of hard. It needs to be about a ½ inch longer. So we're coming up with a way to fix it. And you got it in there and can't get it out, huh?
Who does that? Hopefully that's pretty nice one down below. About a half inch longer.
I got ready on the hill.
So what would be the difference if we had a pin that's on each side with aluminum washer against it, just where it can't come out? These are definitely no longer.
What you got in the next tray?
Oh, let's find out.
Back here at the Klein's hardware store. It's bigger.
Here, let's go here. I think they're all bigger after that. I think. It's all, the problem is it's all metric.
Yeah, them are rivets.
Okay. Well, plan B. Might have to go a hardware store. I think that.
Yeah, this would be long enough if it was skinnier.
I think that's a 6, like in electrical. You know, that's what we're looking. You know, like for receptacles.
I'll go to Ace tomorrow.
Try to come up with something.
Ours. Depending on how my day goes, go to stop by Rule King.
I'm not done yet. I'm not done. I got more shit. You know me. I got a lot of shit.
Dad's got to save everything.
But you know what? Dad ends up fixing everything too. He just don't like me being able to fix everything. He wants to buy new. You can save that in the thing too. That's all bigger. That's all bigger. Getting down to the nitty gritty.
That's all too big.
May not happen this room. See? Never say never. Keep them out. You might have to go to alternative B. Okay, obviously.
It ain't long enough. I can tell you that by looking at them.
Now, I also.
Houston, we got a problem. Think it's the wheel or you think it's the tire?
You see it being, I mean, the tire was holding there. I mean, that was on the beadlock side, but I just flipped it.
Did we just put a mark in it with the bead breaker? We need to sand down.
Well, tires are done, ready to go on it.
Put it out there. If that right front leaks, it's Jason's fault.
It's not the end of the night for us. Doug is spraying the Heims. I just greased the front end.
That's going to do it for us pretty much this week. We are done with everything on a Tuesday night. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Share with your friends. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. We will be at Highland as it stands right now, Saturday night, unless the weather looks bad. Then Daryn said he's not coming back. But
She's ready to go in a trailer, so we'll be back out here probably Saturday morning to load her up and head to Highland. Catch you all later.